Hello students. In this short video, I will show you how to get the audio or sound for your book. Our book, Ventures 1, has links to the audio that you can listen to that will tell you what this says in English, and you can practice listening and speaking. Here's how you can get the audio to work. So when you see a square like one of these on a page, that means there is an audio track that goes with this activity. This is called a QR code, and there are two different ways to make it work using your cell phone. So some cell phones, you can use the camera and point the camera at the square. It will open up a link. This is a link up at the top to Cambridge.org. When I click on the link,
Page 4, Exercise 3A, Track 5.
okay? If the camera does not work on your phone, there is a free app called QR Scanner, and I will send information on WhatsApp, but it is this one right here, QR Scanner, okay? If I open QR Scanner and point it at one of the squares, it gives me a link. It says open link. I can click that and it will start to play.
Page 4, Exercise 3A, Track 5.
Okay? If you have any trouble using your phone to get the sound or audio, let me know and I can help you.